Hello guys, I'm Vaishnavi and today I'm going to cook something really exotic. This is one of my favorite exotic salads, which is this mango salad, and it has really healthy ingredients. So we begin with this lettuce, which we're gonna put in this first. Then we're gonna take some cucumber. Okay, so guys, lettuce actually has really good health benefits. It has a lot of iron, and also lettuce is very good for weight loss. So if you're going for weight loss diet, so you can definitely try this salad. The next thing that we're going to take is cucumbers. Tomatoes. If you see, all of these vegetables are very hydrating, and this can be a really good salad if we are going for a salad after a heavy dinner, like if you're going to have biryani, tandoori chicken or something like that, then this salad is going to go very well. And now the main character, mangoes. Now we're going to get to the dressing part. So we're going to take some salt, a little bit of pepper. Here we have some coconut oil, and some vinegar, and my favorite garlic. So garlic adds really good taste and a zing to any food. If you notice, we're just going to mix this all together, and our lovely dressing is ready. We're gonna pour it evenly on this lovely salad that we've mixed, and we're gonna mix it all together. Toss it, turn it, as you can see. Look at all the beautiful colors that it has. There's green, there's yellow, there's red. It just looks so beautiful, and I'm sure that is even going to taste more good than it looks. And lastly, we're going to squeeze some lemon. Toss it once again. And there you go, your exotic mango salad is ready.